my job was a $100,000 salary a year. I went to America. I barely had any money. Eventually I kind of got a scholarship there. But the first year, I still remember, going from my college, going and doing like the groceries there in my bicycle in the winter, because I did not even actually own a car.
Okay.
So sometimes I can reflect back on, hey, look, I did not have a car when I first kind of came in, and today here I am actually flying in my own jet, right? So clearly, you kind of feel a sense of gratefulness there. And going back to milestones, look, milestones clearly are important, right? Because we can go back and we reflect on them. I still remember my job was a $100,000 salary a year. That's a big thing. I can't kind of believe, I kind of get that, right? That's a big accomplishment.